In this video, I'll be talking about the how to complete the project 1. So first of all, we want to create a new file. So it will create an untitled tab. And then we go to our Copilot and maybe ask something like what is written, create an HTML file where I can input my name to create a message. So this will generate all the codes, and then I can use the copy button here, or I can drag and select everything and copy it. So if I paste it here, as you can see, there will be some text which I don't want to have, so I'll just click those lines and delete. Similarly, I go to here and delete, and now this is still colorless, so I have to save this project 1. But remember, I have to add the HTML extension. So now we have created this code, but how to run this code? So to run this code, we have to go in our file manager and find out where it is. So it is saved in my this folder. So as you can see, it is in my this folder. So if I double click it, this will open this message. So I just type any name, my name Ahmad. So it's saying, hello Ahmad, welcome to our website. So now if we want to change the font or the text size, how can we do it? So we can prompt it, like for example, how can I change the color of the text? And it will generate a new code, and see there will be a comment here. So that means we can change our colors here. So I can also copy and paste, but I can use the same method. So first of all, I can select everything. So as you remember, we can do the edit and select all, but I use Ctrl A and delete everything to be sure that I'm not replacing on the wrong thing. And then I paste everything, but I have to remember that I have to delete this first few lines. And now I save it, like I can go file, save, or I can just use Ctrl S. And now if I want to upload this page, it will show something like this, like Rob, and see it's a red color. So we can also, as we look at our code, as you can see, there's a background. We can make it a yellow background, or the button color can be red, background color can be green. So I'm just using different things. So, and if I save it here, I reload this, see, and now if I type any name, and it changes that. So that is how we can change the color. But what about we want to change the size? So we can ask. So now as you can see, we have changed a lot of things. So whenever we want to prompt the Copilot, we have to copy everything and inform it that my current code is this, and I paste all the code, as you can see. And then I ask, how can I increase the size of the text? Let's see what does it give. So it is generating thing, and as you can see, it is producing the comments here which we can follow to change our code. So if we go copy again, I'm going here, I'm deleting everything just to be safe, and then pasting it, and then deleting these lines, So I'm using a delete key, but you can also right click and delete, and I save this new code. And what happens, I did this and put my name again. So see, our text is very big now. So what about we want to input an image? How to put an image? So we can prompt it how to put an image in this web page. So again it will prompt it, and as you can see there will be something for image. So let's see there's a image thing, and there is a source, like what is the source. So it also says replace that path to your image JPG, the actual path of your image file. So that is what we will do. So we are copying this and again deleting everything and going through the steps, like deleting extra things from below and above. So first of all and there's one thing we need to change, what is this path. So let's put an image in this path, like I'm putting this avatar one here. So my picture's name is avatar png, so I'll just replace it to avatar png, and it is rating as jpg, so I have to change it also png. Now if I save it, I will see the avatar in my code. So let's see. Oh, here's a huge Mario picture, as you can see. So we want to change the size of the Mario. So what we can do, we can ask how can we reduce the size of the image. So you will see that there's a new comments, like width, we can set the width and height. So let's do the copy. You can edit in here, but we can also copy and paste. So let's copy, and we can delete everything and then put it here and delete the extra things that we don't want to have in our code. And now where we need to see there the width. So you could have added this by yourself, but you can also copy and paste and go to the step. And maybe we can with 200. So let's try with the 100 first and see what happens. So we have to make sure that we have this avatar. We also remember we needed to change the png. So let's do it. So I saved it, and now we'll reload the page. So we have a Mario, and we can write something. So that is how we can input the image. Now we can still prompt how to animate. So how to animate the image, such as it is moving left and right. So it will again put this, but now as you can see the Q frames move left to right. So as there are new things, so we'll just copy it and paste it. So we have to remember this is avatar png, and we also decided it to be 100. So if we so let's choose it to 100 and see how does it work. So it's now moving left and right. So this is how we can animate our image on our project. So as you can see, we can do a lot of stuff. So this is an example, but you can do whatever you want to do in this project. Thank you.